In this video, we will discuss about various roles in risk management process. What are the four roles in risk management process? These four roles are responsible, accountable, consulted, informed. RACI. What is responsible? They are responsible for performing the actual work to meet the stated objectives. Accountable. They oversee and manage the person who is responsible. He is liable and answerable for the project. For effective accountability, it should be assigned to a specific person. Consulted. They provide support and assistance. Consulted person may be from other department or from external source or from the regulators. Informed. They are not directly responsible for the work. They are to be informed of the risk management effort but may not necessarily be involved in its execution. So, four roles are responsible, who are responsible for executing the project, accountable, who are responsible to oversee the project, consulted, they provide the support and assistance for the risk management efforts, and informed. They are though not involved in the execution, they should be informed about the risk management process and efforts. Let us discuss some practice questions. Which role defines a single person who oversees and manages the persons responsible and he is liable and answerable for the project? Responsible, accountable, consulted, or informed? Right, accountable. Which role define the following? They provide support and assistance to the risks management effort. They may be from other departments or from external sources or from regulators. Correct. Consulted. Which role define the following? They are updated about the risk management efforts, but they may not be necessarily involved in its execution. Informed. Thanks for watching.